Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make a delicious sopa de conchitas con pollo. In case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for the recipe we're going to need 2 pounds of chicken breast, 1 pound of shells pasta, 5 Roma tomatoes, onion, garlic, cilantro, chopped celery and carrots, and all of our spices that I will link in the description box. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. We're going to start by grabbing a large pot. We're going to add 12 cups of water and we're going to set it on high heat. To that we're going to add 3/4 of our onion, garlic, fresh oregano, 2 bay leaves, salt, and black pepper. So we're just going to bring it to a boil. Okay, so once the water comes to a boil, we're going to add our chicken breast. And we're going to wait for that to boil again. Okay, so once our chicken comes to a boil, we're going to remove the white foam form on top of our broth. Okay, so now we're just going to reduce the heat to medium and we're going to cover and let that cook for about 20 minutes. Okay, so after 20 minutes, we're going to turn it off. We're going to remove our chicken. Okay, so we're going to strain our broth. Okay, so now we can make our conchitas. Okay, so to our blender cup, we're going to add a couple cups of our broth. And we're going to make our tomato broth. Okay, so just transfer that. And now we're going to blend. Okay, so to our blender cup, we're going to add our Roma tomatoes. The other piece of onion, 2 garlic cloves, and I'm also going to add 2 chile chipotles, along with chicken bouillon, tomato bouillon, black pepper, and cumin. So now we're just going to blend until we have a smooth sauce. Alright, so once we have our sauce, now we can shred our chicken. Okay, so we're just going to shred our chicken. Alright, so once we have our chicken all nice and shredded, now we can finish up our sopita. Okay, so returning to a pot, we're going to set it on medium-high heat. Just make sure that it is completely dry. We're going to add 4 tablespoons of oil. And we're just going to wait for that to heat up. Alright, so once our oil is hot, we're going to throw in our conchitas. And we're going to lightly fry them. Alright, so after 5 minutes, we're going to add our carrots and celery. And of course, you can also add potatoes if you want. And we're just going to continue cooking everything together until all of our shells are nice and golden. Alrighty, so once our shells are nice and golden, we're going to throw in our chicken. Just mix it. Alright, so now we're going to add our tomato broth. Along with all of our broth. Okay, so just transfer it to the blender. Okay, so we're just going to mix it. And at this point, you can try it for salt. Add it if you need to. For me, it's perfect. So we're going to reduce the heat to medium. All right, so we're going to add a small bunch of cilantro. We're going to cover it and let that cook for about 15 minutes. Alright guys, so it's been 15 minutes and at this point our sopita should be done. So now we are ready to serve. Okay, so I'm just going to grab my bowl and serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the fun part. So I like to serve my sopita with some lemon juice. So we're just going to squeeze some lime juice or lemon juice. We're going to add some Valentina. I like my sopita with Valentina. Some queso fresco. Some avocados. And I like to serve my sopita with tacos. So here I have some cheese and jalapeno taquitos. And now we are ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that this sopita is seriously perfect for the weather. It is so delicious. You have everything in one. You have your little chicken, your sopitas. It's just seriously perfect. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. It's so flavorful. The shells are cooked perfect. Of course, get your taquito, dip it in the broth. Best combination, the best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make a delicious sopa de conchitas. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.